Titanic never sank. You wouldn't believe me, would you? But listen to this. The owner of the boat, J.P. Morgan, actually had two boats. He had the Titanic and he had the Olympic. And the Olympic was a little bit older and a little bit more run down, and it was also in some accidents. So the theory is that J.P. Morgan sank the boat on purpose because he knew he would get a lot of money. He did it for the insurance money. But why sink the newly built Titanic when you could scratch off the paint, swap the names, and sink the Olympic? Instead, he just painted the word Titanic over the Olympic. It gets worse. Guess who was on that boat? All of J.P. Morgan's business competitors, and not one of them made it out. Oh my God, but guess who wasn't on the boat? J.P. Morgan. He canceled minutes before it left because he knew it was going to sink. And there was a guy named James Fenton who survived and worked on the boat. And on his deathbed, his last words were, "The Titanic never sank. It was the Olympic." And he said that if he said anything, something bad would happen to him. Now you might think him crazy, but what if...